Welcome to 6Storage training. In this session, we're going to cover adding merchandise for sale at your locations. From the home screen, simply go over to the left-hand side and click on the admin icon. Once you have the admin opened, you'll see a tab for merchandise up at the top center of the page. Just click on that tab to bring up your current merchandise. What we're going to do next is add a product. We're going to start selling locks out of the office for our tenants. Our product name will be lock. We'll give it a description. Which location are we at? How much we paid for it. What we plan to sell it for. Our tax is already figured based on our location. We'll get the net sale. You can see the information tag there is telling us what the net price is. Our current stock balance here in our initial order is going to be for 10 locks. We expect to make $100 after we sell out our 10 locks. And as a convenient reminder, we can set a reminder when the inventory gets to a certain point. In this case, we'll say 2 locks. We want to order some more. Once we sell out 18 locks, we're going to go back and purchase new. We can input our vendor's name and contact information so we can get our locks ordered once they reach that level. Out here on the main merchandise page, you can see now that we have added a new record, our lock, its padlock, and all the other details there. If we need to make a change, we can click Edit. Come back in and we have all the information to edit once again. We can edit the merchandise, which gives us a similar GUI to add. We can change any of the values at that point. We can also select Adjust. Under Adjust, we can see things like Received Stock, Transferred Stock, other miscellaneous reports. If we go to Receive More Stock, we're going to add a few more locks. You can leave a note. You can see our current balance, and we'll say we've purchased 5 new locks. And you can see our updated total here on the opening page. And we are now showing 15 locks in inventory. If we'd like to go back to adjust anything else, we can transfer some locks. This will record them in the inventory of another location. We also have 2 general adjustments. And for removing damaged inventory, we have the scrap tag. We can put a note with it and then remove the 1 damaged lock. After we click Adjust, we'll see that inventory is now down 1 lock. The last option is to delete. We're no longer going to carry this product. Just remove it from inventory. And it's gone. Thank you for trusting 6Storage to help make your business more successful.